Hey yo, what you know? Jason Canarum here. Appreciate you stopping in. But today's video is sponsored by Sofirn. They came out with this wonderful little box set. It's a limited edition. There's only 1,000 pieces made, and I am lucky enough to give you a discount. So, with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, I want to throw a video up here in the corner of me opening this thing up because there's just so much stuff in here. I need to get right into it. As you can see, it's an empty box because I've been playing with all the toys inside. And one of those toys is the light itself. This is a solid copper piece of art. There's only 1,000 of them made, like I said, and there's multi-functions on this here toy. It's not only a flashlight
that has multiple brightnesses.
It's a UV light. And then it is also a marker. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it changes colors, flashes, it does this little light dance. All that as it's sitting inside of this magnetic clip case. This could clip on damn near anything. And one of the other factors that I really like about this is it is magnetic. And it is a strong magnet too. As a matter of fact, they even give you a wristband right in the box for you to clip it on. If you don't want to carry it on a clip, they give you this fancy little necklace that slides right into the lanyard hole. Speaking of lanyards, they not only send you a lanyard, they send you a multi-tool to put on that lanyard. This little thing's pretty cool. It's got a little knife, and in the last week, I found me reaching for this here knife more than my regular knife. Also on this multi-tool, got a little measuring tape. It has a spot to act as a wrench. Got 3 different sizes there. You got your typical bottle opener, and you got a couple screwdrivers. Not only to boot, this here little lanyard has enough room that you don't even have to take off this clip to install this lanyard onto your flashlight. Just to prove that this is a 16-year anniversary, they also put this wonderful coin, this heavy, heavy coin for you to fidget with into that box. And then, of course, what box set wouldn't be without a thank you note? This actually had a wax seal on it. I was quite impressed. So now that you've seen this little toy in action, let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure that you use my link down in the description and my discount code and go get you one of these before they're gone. Like I said, there's only 1,000 of these made. All right, see you next time. Remember, smile while you still have teeth. See ya.